I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to download apps on iPhone. To download apps, firstly you'll have to open up App Store on your phone. After you open up App Store, on bottom right you can see a search option. Tap on it. On search bar, type in the name of the app you want to download. And when you're done, tap on search, which is on bottom right. On top you'll see the app you want to download. Tap on it. And now tap on the download icon. It will take few minutes to download the app. This way you can easily download apps on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.